Want to elevate your photography game to the next level? Another exciting 2 minutes posing Saturday awaits. Today we're combining light, pose, camera settings and editing to show you how to produce breathtaking photos. Ready to learn? Let's start. Today's pose is one of my favorites, stunning as semi-nude or nude shot too. To get into this pose, we ask our model to position herself so that she can lay her head back on the couch, aligning her hair towards the light source. I ask her to bend her legs, crossing her feet and stretching her toes. I want her arms relaxed and lightly placed by her side. Now for the key part. I want her to push up as much as possible, arch her back from her head and pelvis, keeping her shoulders relaxed. Her eyes should be closed and her mouth slightly open. The light comes from the side, our beautiful bright window front, and we shoot as always with natural light. Of course, this pose works just as well with flash or artificial continuous lighting. Camera settings, since we work with side lighting and we want to protect the highlights, the white points in our image, I shoot with an aperture of f2.8. The shutter speed is at 1/200th of a second and the ISO is set at 2000. Unlock the secrets to perfect poses with our free posing guide available in the app. Download now and transform your photography skills overnight. Photo editing, compared to setting up the pose, the photo editing is quite easy. I start by adjusting the white balance and exposure before deciding on the visual style. As you know, I adore beautiful presets from the Boudoir Secrets Masterclass Ultimate Pack. You can find these in our app now, so you can quickly create stunningly sensual boudoir and portrait photos. To emphasize our model's body and focus on the highlights and shadows, I opt for a high contrast black and white look. I pay close attention to the highlights on her skin without altering them this time, instead choosing a darker preset. Finally, I reduce the black points by 10. We conclude with cropping and adjusting the upright. In this case, setting the upright isn't straightforward and relies entirely on my intuition and eye. For the crop, it's important for me to position her prominently and largely within the frame. And there we have it, our fantastically sensual boudoir photo is complete. That's a wrap for today's 2 minutes posing Saturday. Join us again next week for another exciting episode. Looking for more inspiration right now? Click this video. And remember to subscribe and ring the bell to never miss out.